Your wall outlet says 230 volts, but the voltage actually peaks at 325, so why does the label show the smaller number? These two numbers are linked by a single constant. Root 2. And today, we find out exactly where it comes from. First, why not just average the wave? Over one cycle, it is positive as much as it is negative. The average comes out to 0. That tells us nothing. But a heater still gets hot on AC, because heat does not care about direction. The power in a resistor follows voltage squared, and a square is always positive. So here is the trick. Square the voltage, then average it. Then take the square root, back to volts. Square, mean, root. That is the RMS value. Our voltage is V peak times sine omega t. Square it, and you get V peak squared times sine squared. Now we need the average of sine squared. There is one identity for it. Sine squared equals 1 minus cosine 2 theta over 2. Over a full cycle, that cosine averages to 0. It cancels. What is left is 1/2. So the average of the voltage squared is V peak squared over 2. Now take the square root. The root of 1/2 is 1 over root 2. So the RMS voltage is V peak over root 2, about 0.7 of the peak. So there is your root 2. 230 volts RMS means a peak of 325. Same wave, two honest numbers. If that finally made root 2 click, subscribe. Thanks for watching.